Something happened.
What happened? If you need footage. Just come watch it. It's fine. I got you. Don't worry.
I'm putting this back.
Okay. Woo! I love those. It's so pretty. Sorry, guys. Sorry for this.
So your camera, I turned it on and it doesn't want to turn on. I put in the battery. No. I didn't do anything. The camera is fully charged. It just doesn't want to turn on. I turn it on and it says air with the camera shutter. It is Savannah.
Sorry.
It's gonna be at home whenever I leave.
Oh, you forgot to bring it. It's
Okay. Bye. It's a BMW.
Ooh, hello BMW. Oh wait, no, that's. Whoa! What the? Did you hear that? Yo, I have no idea what that was. Yep. on the phone still?
No.
Okay. Sorry, your camera. I'll post this video. So you have footage.
Might as well buy a new one.
What did your sister say?
I have to give it to her whenever I'm gone.
Alright. That's not the finale. Oh, yeah. I'm feeling. Because they have a massive finale. Yeah. Literally sound like gunshots.
Call the police. I almost said call the fire. I almost said call the fire department.
No, don't call a fire though. Jump in front of the camera. Or don't.
Should I do it?
Jump in front of the camera.
Shit.
Hey. Woo! Okay. It's so pretty. I love that one. That one's pretty. Which one's your favorite?
All of them.
No, I agree. They're all so pretty. Whoa. Whoa.
Oh.
Guys,
Wait,
you
hold on.
really see it.
Wait.
There's little ones over there. Oh, that one was in the smoke clouds. Oh my, are you kidding me? Why are they in the smoke clouds? Maybe because too many people are shooting this weekend. Woo! Okay, there we go. Boom. It takes a second for the sound to get over here, you know? You need to shut up. You're not the star of the show.
You're pointing out the wrong way.
No, there were other people. Hello. Boom.
There's a Mazda right there.
That doesn't actually. Oh wait.
No, yeah, you're right. That's an Acura.
Oh, okay. Boom. I knew because of the shape.
That's a Pathfinder.
That's a what?
That's the same
Oh.
car as your mom's.
I can't say I don't have glasses. Show me. Wait, later. Show me after. Boom.
See, that's better.
Yeah, come on.
Look at your phone. Look at your phone.
What?
That's much better. I zoomed it out all the way. Keep it.
Okay. Oh, jeez.
It looks like power flashes.
Uh-oh.
Look at your phone. You're fine. Oh, well.
Or maybe they found this spot.
It looks like power flashes. Does it?
Don't let that be the finale. Come on. Do better. Is that the finale? Don't let that be the finale.
That might be. Yep.
Wait. Nope. There we go. Wait. No? Oh. Well, I'm always thinking it's the finale, and then they go on to 10 minutes straight, and you never know.
Oh.
Woo!
There's people.
Woo! See, that's what we need. Not just little sparks.
They did red, white, and blue.
Oh, that's. Oh, say, can you see?
Red, white, and blue. White, blue. Red. White. Blue. Blue.
Blue. Leprechaun. Colors.
Red. Pink. Oh.
Okay, yellow. Oh. Oh. Yellow. Oh, okay. Purple. Oh my goodness. It's pretty. I like that one that just.
That one.
And they sizzle too. I love it. You hear that crunch at the end?
Farted.
Yeah. Do you remember the video you showed me with the fireworks farting? You sent it to me like. That's what we need right there. They were saving the best for last, that's why.
Last minute thinking
Yeah.
for the storms.
Yeah. Imagine it just downpours right now.
Get back in the car. You and me will be sprinting right now.
It struck back with me. But you will actually die if it gets struck back right now.
That. Like this. Hey. This.
Woo! Oh, you barely even saw that one. Hey, guys. Right.
It looks like power flashes. Doesn't it?
Do people? I think people go to the Wisconsin border, beach, right? They probably do too, because it's illegal. But they,
Oh.
but they like no. Well, for them, they're professionals, so it's not illegal. But for people to do it in their backyard, heck yeah.
That's probably why Schaumburg PD.
That's pretty. They just they're quiet. Oof. They're not. They're just supposed to spark. That's boom. Okay. Boom.
I timed it. Season finale. Oh, yep. Maybe.
No,
I said season finale.
just a lot of crackers. Maybe. Potentially. Maybe not. No, it can't be. It's not loud enough.
Stop it. There's people behind us.
Yeah.
It looks like power flashes from a tornado.
Yeah, like the Transformer blue. Yeah. That's why they're so dangerous.
Does it look like it?
Wait, so is the firework like just combined inside? Like they just shove a firework in a little plastic thing? And oh, yep, there you go. Oh, wait. Oh, this might be the finale. This is the finale right here. This is it. This is it. This is it. Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Whoa.
Wow.
Are they?
Yep, they're done.
Oh, come on.
Haha.
Wait. Just wait 1 sec. Are you?
Hee. That's what happens whenever you get stuck in traffic. That's a true statement.
Okay.
Yep, we're done.